Welcome to the site of Palmyra, then and now. This UNESCO site was a caravan oasis when the Romans took over in the middle of the 1st century. In the centuries that followed, its art and architecture was a mix of Greek, Roman, and Persian. What you are looking at now is a temple of Balsham in 2007, before the destruction by ISIS. This is a temple in 2016, or what remains of it, with a Syrian government soldier after the forces had regained control of the area from the ISIS forces. This is a magnificent Arch of Triumph in 2006. This is the Arch of Triumph today, in ruins. You are now looking at the Temple of Bel. This is a Temple of Bel today. Here we now go into the museum at Palmyra and have a look at the destruction that was caused. Here we see evidence of the interpretation of Sharia law by ISIS in defacing and removing human remains. Before ISIS took control of the region, the Syrian museum authorities were able to remove priceless treasures. Larger items were left behind. Here we see more examples of destroyed statues. The destruction of the statues that you see in front of you appear to be beyond repair, but Syrian antiquities experts believe that these monuments can be restored to their former glory. Here we have an example of a funerary relief. And another example of statues that have been left destroyed on the floor. The destruction continues throughout the Palmyra Museum. What future do you see for the site and the museum? What options are there for UNESCO and the Syrian people who are trying to safeguard their heritage? With the continuing civil war, these are very complex questions that will have to be answered.